The U.S. Supreme Court late this afternoon has now ordered that Maine Representative Laurel Libby have her voting privileges restored while her suit against House Speaker Ryan Fecteau plays out. News Center Maine Donovan Lynch is live in Augusta with what we're learning late this afternoon. Donovan.
Yeah, Brian and Chris, essentially what the court is saying here is that while Libby litigates her case against Speaker Fecteau, her voting power will be restored in the Maine House of Representatives. Now, her voting power was taken away as punishment as part of a censure by the Democratic majority of the House of Representatives over a social media post Libby made showing the name and face of a transgender teenager to make the argument against the state's policy of allowing trans athletes in women's sports. Now, important to note, Libby did try for this emergency injunction in a lower court, but a circuit judge, a federal circuit judge in the 1st District denied that request. Now the Supreme Court has sided with Laurel Libby. This is a major victory, at least temporary victory for Laurel Libby. And she said in a statement today, she said, "This is a victory not just for my constituents, but for the Constitution itself." And this has really been a central battle playing out here in Augusta throughout the entire legislative session. And the news broke as the Maine House was in session. And they briefly broke for what seemed to be a technical issue. But I had a chance to get the first initial reaction from Speaker of the House Ryan Fecteau, who's named in that suit as the defendant from Laurel Libby, and also from Republicans. Take a listen. Hi, Speaker Fecteau. Do you have any response to the Supreme Court decision? Do you have any response, Representative?
I think it's great. It's a victory for the Maine people, for democracy, and for the people of her district. She never should have had her vote taken away, and it's a victory for the people of that district who elected her.
Now, as you just saw, Speaker Fecteau did not offer a comment. We are expecting a statement from his office as soon as a couple minutes to a couple hours. Democrats were difficult to speak with. They didn't want to talk about the decision here, but we will show you a rare interview with a House Democrat on this Supreme Court order just coming up at 5:30. Chris and Brian?
Donovan Lynch live at the State House tonight. More reaction from Maine House Republicans pouring in as you speak. Thanks so much.